Hi everybody, this is Daryl. Daryl Goes Shopping, and I have just opened up 2 huge Temu bags of fashion. And rather than do a haul and then a try on, I thought I would just do the try on and show you everything all at once because I can't wait. Let's go. Okay, this is a Stella McCartney top. I have no idea if this is what her logo looks like. I don't recall it looking like this, but here we go. And here's the back. And I think it's kind of cute with the track pants and with the shoes. Completely unintentional. So comfy. These are a size 42 and they are a perfect fit, finally. The Stella McCartney top is an extra large and the fabric is a polyester elastane blend. Very soft and stretchy. I couldn't wait to try this blouse on. I just think it is so cute. And I had no idea if it was going to look good or not. I think it is a good fit. I wouldn't want it to be any smaller across here. And I think that it works well. It's cropped but not too short. These dark wash jeans are from another haul and I just love these. They're so comfy. Here's the back of the shirt. I will say that whoever was in charge of cutting the buttonholes on this piece were slacking off. I had to really shove the button through, and I will probably go back through with a pair of small scissors and enlarge the buttonholes just a tad bit because, see, I'm trying to do the one on the cuff right now, and man, it just does not want to fit in there. There it goes. Jeepers. So, this is this. I'm going to have to double check what size I got it in. It's kind of cute like this too. Almost cuter. And this is a size large. Perfect. I knew I would like this. I like the way it feels on my body. I think the fit is perfect. It's a size large. It is 100% polyester, even though it feels like cotton. And I love these little hand stitching details. Sleeves are plenty long. It's a good one. Well, I wish this top was just a little bit longer. And it also kind of, we have a small problem here with the button on these pants where they didn't cut the buttonhole all the way through the fabric. Let's see if I can do this without killing myself. I probably better not. Anyway, so I can't button these up. They've got plenty of room and stuff. So kind of, it's hard to show you that. And, well, I think this is kind of okay. It's just really not my style. I would not be comfortable in this. And dang it, you know, I gotta fix these. So I fixed the button. Also, though, that feels like it's very, very loose. And it's a good thing I bought those replacement denim jean buttons. I think they're sitting right over here. So anyway. There, I'll just stand like this. I think too that I would maybe cuff these up or something. Look at that. That button's gonna come off any second now. Well, these are a nice high-rise fit on these leggings. Here's the side, back. I'm happy with the leggings. They are so comfortable and stretchy and soft. I'm even okay with this little bit of midriff showing. I can go there. Okay, more leggings now. These are the cute Peg Bundy ones. Oh, these things are cute. Pockets. Now, I don't think I'd go anywhere like this, but I would wear these with a black top or something. All right. I'll see these leggings with a kind of different look. I don't know about these shoes. I'm thinking maybe flats, flat booties maybe. So both of the leggings are a size large, and both of them were roomy enough. I probably could have gone down to a medium. I wear a size 29 or 30 and about a size 8. So this is this unhemmed, raw hem tank that I think definitely needs a cami underneath it. You see how much room there is under there. But anyway, I've got it on with this black satin skirt because I'm going to put on this very happy surprise. They're the exact same color. So we'll see how they look. Here's the skirt. And it's sitting on my hips, basically. And I don't know if it's supposed to be, you know, low slung like that, or if it's supposed to be up around my waist. But if it's supposed to be around my waist, it's about 3 inches too big. So we'll have to decide how I want to live with that. Never hurts really to have extra room in the waistband, though, in my experience. Oh, this is so pretty. It feels like Angora, but it is so soft and it has absolutely no itch factor at all. Let's see. Skirt. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, not very many buttons on this cardigan. There's like 3 buttons. Okay, so I want to go, it doesn't really want to go where I want it to go. But anyway, this will give you an idea of the cardigan. I wonder if I did a don't know what to do sometimes with these that they're not long and they're not short, and it's too slippery to stay put like this. So I don't know, we may have to take a look at this. I think it's cute like this. But at this point I'm thinking that the cardigan is a little oversized, and I think the skirt is as well. I like it unbuttoned, and I would probably like it paired up with something other than this skirt. I kind of like this light gray with this sienna colored brown. This skirt is so soft and comfortable. Honestly, it's just light as air. It's breezy. I think I've got a red one coming too. Oh, I do like this. And I could see dressing it down with a t-shirt. And of course, I love this sweater. This is, I think, the third one that I have bought in this fabrication. This one seems a little larger. I wonder if yeah, this one's an XL. The other two I've gotten are larges. I honestly don't know what to make of this shirt. I do think it's cute, but and I think if it were just open in the back, I would understand it, but maybe this goes inside somehow. Don't think so. Honestly, I have no idea what this is supposed to be doing. Pretty sure it's not going like this, because that just doesn't, well, it isn't what the stock photo looks like, for one thing. I do like it though, I have to say. I think that this elastic in the front is cute. And I think it'd be cute with this skirt. I like this, it's my paper doll method of dressing. Well, it isn't going to matter what this shirt is supposed to do, because for some reason it's in an XXL, which is, the bag says L, khaki, L, which is what I would have ordered, and the shirt itself says XXL. Back it goes. So I had to locate one of my own blazers to try with these, because they are the longer shorts, but I actually like them. These ones are cut a little nicer than the black ones were. And I love this lingerie look when it's paired up with something structured. I just think that it's an easier way for a person of my age maybe to wear this trend. Because I would want something to kind of tone it down. And I would wear this maybe out to dinner. Someone might ask me where my skirt is, but I guess just say I'm wearing it. So there. Now, I would have worn this on vacation. We went on a cruise, and these were just a staple of. They were so easy to dress up and dress down. And I know it's not everybody's look. It's kind of out there a bit, but what the heck? You only live once. I love this top. I have to say it's quite warm for a piece that's, I didn't notice that's so cute. That's mesh, it's open and airy, and it's still pretty warm. I like it with the white pants. I love these white pants. They're my go-to ones. And I mean, it would be bonus points if I lived in Boston. I don't think I knew that was on the back, but I don't think it would have stopped me. So here's what it looks like untucked. This, I believe, is a size large. Oop, my bad, it's an XL. Plenty of room, lots of stretch, knit sweater fabric. I'm glad that this comes off the shoulder. This has got these cute side slits. I'm gonna make for an easy half tuck. And these pants, oh, I gotta tell you, they are so comfy and soft. They're a vegan leather with a pull-on elastic waist. And they have kind of a felt finish on the inside. I think they're plenty long. I wouldn't want them any shorter than this. This needs to be tucked on both sides. Oh, I really, really like them. You know how vegan leather can be pretty uncomfortable, and I think these are just soft. They're not at all plasticky. They're very, very soft. So, a couple more pieces, and then that will be the haul. These are nip covers, razors, pillowcases, and pillowcases. And last of all, I think, have this cute bag that's, I think with those jeans I had on earlier, that'll be cute. And then these, and I haven't tried them on yet. I'm afraid to, because I like them so much. Check out all the metallic accents. And then this faux fur. It looks like reindeer fur. And then the gemstones. They're so cute. I don't remember. I wear a size 10. Oh, we are lucky. Oh, they feel like slippers. Oh, they're so cute. So last of all, just a couple of things. Everybody needs to have leopard print underwear to go with their leopard print clothing. And these are gorgeous colors. These are in a mid-rise. I guess they'd be a mid-rise brief, a mid-rise panty. But I love these colors. There's a these are the pillowcases that actually worked, that we will keep. These are the pillowcases that we will return. Make sure you check the size on your pillowcases. These are 12 by 20, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them. But that's it for this haul and try on. I hope you like some of the pieces I got and have maybe inspired you to take a look for some fun fall stuff for your own wardrobe. I appreciate you watching, always. Thanks for your comments, your support, your thumbs up. And I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.